In this question, we are asked to evaluate the given integral. To do that, we'll make a trigonometric substitution x equals 5 sine theta. Then dx equals 5 cos theta d theta. Well, after doing the substitution, we'll get the integral of the square root of 25 minus 25 sine squared theta divided by 6 multiplied by 25 sine squared theta multiplied by 5 cos theta d theta. Next we can cancel 5, we'll get 1 over 5. Then we can factor out 25 in the numerator. We'll get the integral of the square root of 25 multiplied by 1 minus sine squared theta.